So ini adalah sambungan daripada episod ke-88. That was the one that we did on big feelings. Dan we thought maybe we start with dalam episod tersebut kita juga bincang tentang memahami apabila anak-anak yang neurodivergent mengalami big feelings tersebut.
Yes, kita memahami dan kita nak mencegah lah kalau boleh, right? Let's get into that.
Yes.
Bukan kita nak kata we want to prevent the big feelings. Feelings ni ataupun emosi atau perasaan bukanlah sesuatu yang kita dapat hentikan atau halang. Dan sewajarnya kalau kita nak melihat daripada sudut sains ke atau kita melihat daripada kesihatan mental, we have to feel those feelings.
Yes.
Yeah. So I think when you speak about pencegahan as a point of clarification, nak kata kita tak nak reaksi yang terlalu besar, right? So it's the expression of the feelings in a big way.
Yes.
Right? That's the one you want to prevent.
Yes.
It's a big feeling,
correct.
but you don't want it to maybe come out in such a big way that either orang yang mengalami itu akan lebih terlalu teruja, ataupun dia akan sampai pada satu tahap mana dia akan jadi meltdown dan sebagainya, ataupun dia unfortunately akan mengganggu lah keadaan di sekeliling and things like that, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so it's the
triggers.
The trigger, not just the trigger, but it's like its reaction to the big feelings in a way that is too big. So reacting too big to a feeling that is already big, right? That's the one we want to reduce.